Hello, good morning everyone. Uh, now I am explain to the topic of smart prosthetic limb with sensor technology. Okay, now my name is K. Vasudevan. The subject name is assistive technology. Next, introduction. Loss of limb affects a person's ability to perform a daily activities. The limb affects the daily activities of the persons. Okay, so there are two types. Okay, traditional prosthetic limb had a limited functionalities. Okay, then the advanced. Okay, wow. Okay, provide improved control, comfort, and functionalities. Next, what are smart prosthetic limbs? Okay, um, systems to mimic natural limbs movement. They can detect signals from the user and respond accordingly, making movement more precise and efficient. Okay, smart prosthetic limbs or artificial limbs that use sensor, microcontrollers, and advanced. Okay, wow. Next, the need for smart prosthetics. Okay. What is the need of the smart prosthetic is a growing need for a smart prosthetic limbs because traditional prosthetic do not have provide natural movement or feedback. Okay, the smart prosthetic provide natural movement and feedbacks. Okay, independence and quality of life. Next, basic principles. Okay, uh, it is to detect signal from the user body using sensor and convert them into a movement. Okay, wow. That it helps to the sense the detect the signals and convert it into a movement. Okay, next, components. The components of the smart prosthetic limb is a control sensors, consist of sensors, control unit, actuators or motors, power supply, and the mechanical structure of a limb. Okay, wow. Next, types of sensors used. There are types of sensors used. Different type of sensors used in a smart prosthetic limb, such as muscle signal sensor, pressure sensor, motion sensor, and temperature sensors. Okay, these are sensors used in environmental conditions. Okay, role of sensors. The sensors is used to them detect the signals that come from signals from the muscle or movements. Okay, they provide real-time data to control the systems. Okay, and also it allows the prosthetic limb to respond quickly and accurately. Okay, next, control system. The control system is helps to control and give the commands to the prosthetic limb. Okay, next, working of the smart prosthetic limbs. It involves detecting signals using sensors, processing them into a control unit, and activating motors to produce movement. This process allows the prosthetic limb to perform functions such as gripping or walking. Okay, next, type of smart prosthetic limbs. Smart prosthetic limbs include upper limb prosthetics such as smart hand or arms, okay, and lower limb prosthetics such as smart leg and feet. Okay, types is designed based on the functions it needs to perform. Okay, for applications, the smart prosthetic limbs are used by amputees, ancient victims, and people with con- congenital limb loss. They help supper perform daily activities such as walking, holding objects, or writing. Okay. Next, limitations. Despite their benefits, smart prosthetic limbs are expensive and require maintenance. They may also need training for effective use and can be affected by environmental conditions. Okay, that's all about the topic. Thank you.